Hi everyone and welcome back to Rails TV. My name's Jack and today we're taking a closer look at the Heljan OO gauge Class 28. Recently we announced a return of this popular diesel locomotive to the range, which was originally produced in partnership with Hattons back in 2011. This new run of 6 models covers some old favourites, as well as some new running numbers, all available exclusively at Rails of Sheffield. For the first time ever, these will also now be available with factory-fitted digital sound, and we had the chance to take a sneak peek at this during our recent Heljan takeover day at the shop. Over to Ben Jones to show you more.
Today's big news is the return of an old favourite, the Class 28 Metrovic Kobo. We're really delighted to be bringing this one back, and we've had loads of requests for it over the last few months. So it's good to see it back. Obviously it'll have the extra addition of a DCC sound option now, which we're in the process of finalising at the moment. But yeah, it's great to see it back.
All of the new Class 28s can be pre-ordered now, only at railsofsheffield.com. Check the link in the description for more information and stay tuned for more updates as and when we receive them. Don't forget as well to like the video if you enjoyed this, feel free to leave a comment and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest videos. See you next time.